Antonio, what are you doing?
I'm washing dishes.
No, Antonio. Use the sixth sense.
But, what is sixth sense? Whirlpool appliances with sixth sense technology will always give you the perfect result. Whirlpool sixth sense dishwashers have a set of sensors built into them which measure the dirt in the water. Based on this, they will adjust the time, power, water, and temperature required to always give you the perfect result. Okay, let's see what the sixth sense is about. Okay, let's see. Programs 1 to 10. Program 1, sixth sense. So I'm looking for program 1, sixth sense. There it is. But what if I also want perfectly dry dishes? Or what if I have a stubborn stain on a pot or a pan?
Then use sixth sense with Power Dry and Power Clean.
Power Clean? Power Dry? What's that? Whirlpool sixth sense dishwashers with Power Dry will perfectly dry your dishes in 1 hour every single time. Whirlpool sixth sense dishwashers with Power Dry use a powerful extraction fan to extract the steam out of your dishwasher cavity and condense that steam into water and flush it away. Coupled with this is a powerful fan which blows hot air into the cavity to perfectly dry your dishes every single time in just 1 hour. Whirlpool sixth sense dishwashers with Power Clean use 28 powerful jets situated at the back of the unit to blast off stubborn stains on your pots and your pans. Cool, so Power Dry will wash and dry my dishes in just 1 hour. And here it is right here under program 6. I can also use these two buttons right here to add Power Clean or Power Dry onto any normal cycle. Okay, time to pack my dishwasher. Got my dirty dishes, got the dishwasher. Let's do it. Okay, let's take a look at our dishes. Wow, my dishes are perfectly clean. I guess I don't need the dish scrubber anymore. So if I understand sixth sense correctly, this means that the washing duration will either increase or decrease depending on the amount of dirt in the water. I think I finally understand what sixth sense is. Sixth sense is perfect results every time.